Well, we were hoping for some amazing specs, and thanks to another retailer's webpage going live a little early, we now know that DJI have taken the best bits of the Mavic 3 and the Air 2S and somehow squashed it all down into something the size of this. Hello, I'm Ian and I play with drones, and over the last couple of weeks we've had some brief cheeky glimpses of the impending new Mini 3, but yesterday we finally got a full look at the whole package, the specs and the price, thanks to a Dutch retailer accidentally listing its Mini 3 page live on its website. And lordy, I am genuinely amazed at what DJI are managing to scale down in size and weight. They are seriously upping the ante with the new Mini 3 Pro. So let's take a look at these specs, because we now know exactly what's going to be making up this new flagship mini model. Camera is going to be a 1/1.3 inch or 0.8 inch 48 megapixel quad Bayer CMOS sensor. Kind of a fixed aperture of f1.7, and it's going to be letting you shoot at 4K at 60 frames per second or 1080p slow-mo at 120 frames per second. It's got D-Cine-like colour profile for video along with raw stills, and it's also got HDR video. Now look, high dynamic range is a huge thing. Really improves high contrast or low light videos where you have got bright skies or very dark landscape, for instance, like at sunrises or sunsets, and the ability also to rotate the camera through 90 degrees to take portrait shots, they're calling this true vertical shooting, and it's going to be fantastic for producing content that's going to be output on phones and social media. You're also going to get a suite of panoramic shots, including 180-degree panoramas, wide angle, vertical and full spherical tiny world panoramas as well, and a 4x digital zoom. What really interested me was the specified pixel size. Now the Mini 3 sensor will be over twice the size of the existing Mini 2 sensor, which in itself is a huge improvement. But of course this means much larger individual pixel sensors. And it's been confirmed that the pixel sensor size on the new Mini 3 Pro is going to be 2.4 microns. Now, crucially, that is exactly the same size as the pixel sensors you get on the Air 2Ss. That's an incredible achievement. The Air 2S sports one of the best cameras that DJI produces, and the new Mini 3 Pro will have exactly the same size pixels on it. The only difference, of course, is the Air 2S is 20 genuine megapixels, whereas the Mini 3 Pro is going to be 12 genuine megapixels, or 48 if you use the quad Bay or whatever. But still, wow, it means that the Mini 3 Pro's camera is going to be right up there with the very best. And it is not just about the camera. The Mini 3 has got full obstacle avoidance. And of course, having obstacle avoidance then means it's going to be possible to include more autonomous intelligent flight mode. So it's confirmed we're going to be getting spotlight, point of interest and master shots. And what's really good to see is that the basic package will be shipping with DJI's standard remote control using OcuSync 3.0. We know the range of that, a good 10Ks or 6 miles minimum, and high definition image transmission, 1080p at 30 frames per second, all with a whopping 47 minutes of flight time spec'd, which, okay, in the real world of actual flying, it means you're going to get well over half an hour of proper flying before any of the return to home warnings start. Mad, that really is an amazing battery life, right up there with the new Mavic 3, so absolutely brilliant. Pricing is good as well. The package was priced at €829. Now that should equate to around £750 or $800, which is cheaper than the Air 2S and is extremely aggressive pricing compared to the Autel Nano Plus. No word on combo packages or the larger screen new smart controller, and no firm word on the release date either, as there are rumours that the planned release date, the 28th of April, could be pushed back a little bit into May, which will be a shame. But either way, it still means we're going to have a full summer of fun playing with this impressive new bit of kit. So what is my take? Well, look, there is only so much that you can improve a flying camera, and it looks like the Mini 3 is very much improving both elements of that description. It seems we're going to be getting pretty much all the features and camera quality of the Air 2S with a 47-minute battery life of the Mavic 3, all squashed into a 249 gram bundle, which seems impossible. But of course, keeping it under 250 grams keeps this incredible bit of kit under many of the rules and regulations of flying. So I simply cannot wait. And of course, yes, I will be buying one as soon as I can to put it through its paces. So look, until then, let's sit back and enjoy the circus of this latest release that I absolutely am sure will become DJI's top-selling drone. So look, as you can tell, quite excited. Drop me a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I do love reading all your comments and I'm really interested to hear in what you think. But look, that's it for now. I will keep you posted as soon as I hear anything else. Fun times ahead. As usual, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Until next time, have fun, happy flying.